Where did COVID 19 originate? Wuhan. What is COVID 19? It is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Expand COVID 19. CO corona VI virus D disease found in the year 2019. So 19. How many different human coronavirus are there? 7. What test can be done to diagnose COVID 19? Molecular testing. What test can be done to detect past infection? Antibody test. What is the incubation period of COVID 19 disease? Ranges from 1 to 14 days. What is the new app developed by Government of India to trace and track COVID 19? Arogya Setu. How do you protect yourself against COVID 19? Frequently washing hands with soap and maintaining social distancing. How long do you have to wash hands with soap and water? 20 seconds. What is a safe distance to stay apart to prevent the spread? 1 meter. How does the coronavirus disease spread? Mainly through droplets. What is pandemic? Disease affecting the countries globally. Which company launches an affordable coronavirus insurance policy? CoronaCare. PhonePe. Which is the most recognizable and effective mask? N95. What are cobots? Cobots are collaborative robots designed to work with human employees. Which government have started cobot robots to serve food and medicine to COVID 19 patients? Jharkhand government. Where does the word quarantine comes from? It comes from Venetian language, quarantina meaning 40 days. Which cells in the human play a role in fighting coronavirus? T cells. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transferred from recovered COVID 19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Plasma therapy. Name the low-cost ventilator prototype developed by Indian Railways. G1. In which Latin American country was COVID-19 first reported? Brazil. What percentage of people confirmed to have COVID-19 develop mild or moderate symptoms? 80%. Name the disease related to COVID 19. MERS and SARS. What is the largest OPD in India? OPD means online patient to doctor consultation. E-Sanjeevani. In which state prisoners make face mask to combat COVID 19? Tamil Nadu. Name the country which is most affected with coronavirus. USA. Which becomes first wild animal to get COVID 19? Malayan tiger, New York City Zoo. Which national park has become the isolation ward for animals? Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. What is the first state in India to impose statewide lockdown? Punjab. Where was the first case of coronavirus disease outside China? Thailand. When was the coronavirus disease declared as global health emergency? January 30th, 2020. Who has declared COVID 19 an pandemic? World Health Organization. WHO. When was the first case of COVID 19 reported in India? 30th January 2020. When was the public Janata curfew imposed for COVID 19? 22nd March 2020. Where India's first walk-in sample kiosk launched? Kerala. Name the different color zones to identify coronavirus cases. Red, orange and green zone. What is hotspot? District with high number of active coronavirus cases. What is the name given to disease that can be transmitted from animals to humans? Zoonotic disease. Which state government has announced that it doubles the salary of doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals dealing with COVID 19 patients? Haryana. Britannia partners with which app to deliver its essential food products? Dunzo app. Which company provides biggest free meal program Anna Seva to needy during the lockdown period? Reliance Foundation. What is the name of app started by Rajasthan government to battle coronavirus? Ayu and Sehat Sati. Which state CM has announced a 5T plan to stop and spread of novel coronavirus? Delhi CM. Which company sets up COVID-19 control center in Noida? HCL Tech. Which is the first state in India to use geotag community kitchens to abate the food crisis? Uttar Pradesh. Where was the food bank started to help needy due to long statewide lockdown? Manipur. Expand Operation Sealed and where it is started. S. Sealing. H. Home quarantine. I. Isolation and tracing. E. Essential supply of items. L. Local sanitization. D. Door-to-door health checks. It started in Delhi against COVID-19. Who developed digital stethoscope called AuuSync to amplify chest sound and send them wirelessly from patients to doctors without physical tubing? IIT Bombay. Which mountain lit up with an image of Indian flag to express solidarity as the world fights the coronavirus pandemic? Matterhorn Mountain in Switzerland Alps. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button for notifications. Thank you.